Hello, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Nazwa Nur Fasabella, and my student number is 15 2023 173. I'm here today with my team members, Bintan Maulana, Destiani Mahaputri, and Dea Rohana. Today, we are going to present a topic titled Physical Origin Classification based on license plate using safe detection in West Java. This topic is important because it helps identify the origin of vesicle from different regions in West Java through license plate analysis, which can support transportation management, surveillance, and data classification. We hope this presentation gives you a clear understanding and leads to meaningful discussion afterward. Let's begin. Background: license plate recognition is an essential application in digital transportation system for security and traffic management. In Indonesia, license plates are majority, and the initial letter indicates the registration area: D for Bandung, F for Bogor, Z for Garut, E for Cirebon, T for Purwakarta. The study aims to automatically classify the origin of vesicle in West Java, codes D, E, F, T, Z, from image. We ask a conventional method instead of deep learning, which is suitable for system with limited resource. The histogram of oriented gradients. Method was caused for its effectiveness in extracting the unique subcultures of each character based on gradient patterns. Using a dataset of 500 images, we have this simple classification system can assist in monitoring physical in restricted areas and serve as a foundation for further development. This study focused solely on the West Java region to simply the process of collecting and organizing the dataset, ensuring consistency and measurability during development. Next, using West Java license plate image. License plate D, physical with the plate come from Bandung, Cimahi, and West Bandung. License plate E, physicals with an E plate come from Cirebon, Indramayu, Majalengka, and Kuningan. License plate F, physical with an F plate come from Bogor, Cianjur, and Sukabumi. License plate T, physical with a T plate come from Purwakarta, Karawang, and Subang. License plate G, physical with a Z plate come from Ciamis, Banjar, Sumedang, Tasikmalaya, and Garut. Next, in a dataset size, the number of dataset currently used is 500 with 100 image in each category. Of those, 80 are used for training data and 20 are used for testing data. Object as dataset limitation, the dataset use is limited only the license applied from the West Java region. Dataset source, the source of the dataset currently used comes from the internet, and there is a possibility that in the future, data collection will be carried out independently. That concludes my part of the presentation. Now, I would like to invite by Tim to continue with the next part. Thank you.
My name is Bintan Maulana and I will explain the feature we use. So, the first one is aspect ratio or ratio of character height to width. And the second one is Euler number. The third one is hue moments. The fourth one is histogram of oriented gradients or HOGG. The fifth one is connected components. And the sixth is Cantor solidity. And then I will explain about our flowchart. So start by loading receive HOGG feature data from a file. If the data isn't found, an error is found and the program stops. Otherwise, the GUI opens, allowing the user to select an image of a license plate. The system then extracts HOGG features from the image and checks if the extraction was successful. If not, an error appears. If successful, it compresses the features to the reference dataset using Euclidean distance to find the closest match. If the distance is below a set threshold, the system displays the identified region, like Bandung. Otherwise, it sounds unknowns. Finally, the results are shown in the GUI and the process ends when the user closes the application.
Okay, this slide will be presented by myself. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Darohana, and with my ID student is 15-2023 to 11. In this slide, I will be explanation about the flowchart. For the first step is input data. This stage is the collection of dataset that will be used in this study. Step 2 is processing. Processing aims to prepare image to be uniform and easy to process by the system using first grayscale conversion, 2 Gaussian blur, and last 3 is thresholding. For the step 3 is segmentation. The goal is to isolate the first character of the license plate. Example DTZF, which is the main key is classifying the origin of the visual. Step 4 is feature extraction. The shape-based feature will be used by the model to distinguish one character from another. First, aspect ratio, 2 Euler number, 3 hue moments, 4 is histogram of oriented gradients or HOGG, 5 connect the components, and last contour solidity. Next step is data division. The dataset that already has feature is then defined into two parts of the purpose of training and testing the model. Next step for the flowchart is classification. The trained model using training data will be used to determine or use the area of origin of visual from the test data based on the recognized features. And the last step is accuracy evaluation. Accuracy is calculated by comparing the classification result performance by the model with the actual area of origin label from the test data. This aims to determine how accurate the system is in carrying out this text. For next slides, we'll be presenting by my friends.
My name is Destianima Putri. My in RP 15-2023 to 01. Next, third, license plate detection. This step aims to identify the location of the license plate on the visual image by applying the contour and rectangular shape detection method. The system will separate the license plate part from the overall image. Fourth, extract initial letters of the license plate. Once the license plate location is successfully detected, the system will take the first letter of the license plate number. 5. Classification of the visual origin. Visual source classification, the first letter taken is then aligned with the list of areas of origin of the visual according to the provisions of number place is West Java, D for Bandung, E for Cirebon, F Bogor, T. Purwakarta, and Z. Banjar or Garut. Next, we will present the result, but from the application we developer and its desktop GUI interface. System user flow and result explanation. The system interface works through a step-by-step process consisting of the main buttons. First, train system. This is the first and most essential step. When the train system button is clicked, the system begins training using a preloaded dataset. The system extracts features using Hawk histogram of oriented gradients and builds a classification model. Once the training is finished, a notification appears saying training completed successfully, confirming that the process was successful. Number 2, load test image. After the model is trained, the user can click this button to select a license plate image for testing. The selected image will be displayed on the left panel labeled image display. This image serves as the input for the classification process. Number 3, process and classify. This is the core step where the system detects and classifies the license plate information. When the process and classify button is clicked, the system analyzes the selected image to detect the license plate. It highlights the license plate area with a green bounding box subplot. Then it extracts Hawk feature and uses the trained model to classify the plate's origin letter. Right panel, information and result panel. Before explain the output, let's understand what is shown is the panel. This panel displays a summary of the classification result, including process status, a message indicating whether the classification has been completed. Next, predicted plate code. The detected letter on the license plate. Sample E. Origin region. The region that corresponds to the predicted plate code. Example E for Cirebon. And last, confidence score. The system certainty is percentage which reflect how confident the system is in its prediction. The selected image is also updated on the left panel, now showing the green box marking the detected license plate area. This complete output allows user to both see the visual result and understand the prediction details clearly. And last, number 4, evaluate accuracy. This button is used to evaluate the performance of the trained model across a larger test dataset. It calculates It calculates important metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. These results are displayed either in a pop-up window or printed to the console, giving user insight into how well the model performs overall. In summary, the system provides a complete flow for training and testing to result display and performance evaluation, making it user-friendly and effective for license plate classification. Next, yeah, that's all from our group presentation. We apologize for any shortcomings. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.